In this video, let's understand how we can rename a database in SQL Server. Currently, I have this demo database. You can see here in our databases, we have this demo database. Now let's see how we can rename this database. Before renaming a database, you need to make sure your database is in single user mode, which means your database is not connected by someone else. If someone else is also working on the database, you want to be able to rename it. So first you need to make your database in a single user mode. To do that, you need to fire alter database query. So let's say alter database, and we need to specify the database name. So the demo database is the database which I want to rename, and I want to set it to single user, right, with rollback immediate. If you execute this query, this will make our database to a single user mode. Let's execute this. Okay, this is completed. Now you can go ahead and rename your database. To rename the database, again, you need to use alter database query. So let's say alter database. Which database I want to rename? That is demo. And I want to modify, right, the name of the database. So let's say modify name and then specify the new name that I want to give here. Let's say I want to give demo new. So what I'm saying alter database and then the old database name, then modify. What I want to modify? I want to modify the name of the database. Let's execute this. The database name has been changed to demo new, and you can see at the rightmost corner we have this demo new here, and in the top also now demo new has been selected. And if you refresh here, the database has been changed to demo new, but you can see here what it says, it is in single user mode because we have changed this database to single user. Now let's change it back to multi-user so that other people can also connect to our database. We can again use this alter database query, and I want to make demo new database, and let's set it to multi-user, right? Let's execute this. This is done. Now if you refresh this here, you can see single user warning has been gone, and now our database is back to normal. So guys, this is how you can rename your database in these 3 simple steps.